Welcome to an overview on how to use the PowerFocus 6000 kiosk. You'll learn how to work this station and provide a comprehensive demonstration to your customer. For more information on the PowerFocus 6000, please reference the wiki. The PowerFocus 6000 is the centerpiece of our next-generation DC electric tools. The goal of this video is to get you familiar with the PowerFocus 6000, the Tensor STR tools, and the STB 3464 series of tools. As you arrive at the PowerFocus 6000 kiosk, please make sure the Tensor STB tools are powered on. If they've gone to sleep, pull the trigger to wake them up. When the tools are ready, the blue connection light on the tool will illuminate, and you'll see a tool-connected message on the PowerFocus. The goal of this station is to show the difference between a two-stage tightening and a turbo-tight tightening at 40 Newton meters. For this example, we'll be using the hard joint. The two-stage tightening will have a medium bit of reaction. The operator will feel dramatically reduced reaction when using turbo-tight. Before starting your demonstration, check to make sure the correct task is selected. To do this, press the Home button on the controller to return to the home screen. Then click on the virtual station icon. Select the ETV STR 6150 station and set the task to Source Tightening. Then push the Result button to go back to the result view. To demonstrate the reaction of the two-stage strategy, turn the stack light key switch to the left to select P-Set 1. This will run a 40 Newton meter two-stage tightening. The attached ETV STR 6150 should then be used on the hard joint on the right side of the demo station. Be prepared to have some reaction from the tightening. It's always a best practice to do the tightening yourself and then have your customer try it. The soft joints will have a much higher reaction and should not be used for this demo. To demonstrate the turbo-tight strategy, turn the stack light key switch to the right to select P-Set 2. This will run a turbo-tight strategy at the same 40 Newton meter torque. The attached ETV STR 6150 should then be used on the hard joint on the right side of the demo station. Turbo-tight provides both ergonomic and speed benefits over a traditional two-stage tightening. We will demonstrate true angle using a 20 Newton meter P-Set. The goal is to show that the tool will measure and report the actual installed amount of angle that went into the joint, removing any operator influence. The PowerFocus 6000 is unique in that it automatically calculates a compensation angle and either adds or removes it from the reporting true angle value, depending on whether the operator influence added or removed tool angle during the tightening. Press the Home button on the controller to return to the home screen. Then click on the virtual station icon. Select the ETV STR 6150 station and set the task to P-Set 6, True Angle. Then push the Result button to go back to the result view. Now, run the P-Set on the soft joint, holding the tool close to your waist. Take note of the angle measurement and compensation angle value that are displayed in the result pane. You can toggle to the angle compensation value by clicking on the right arrow icon of the result. Next, run the same P-Set again, but exaggerate the movement of the tool by letting it swing away from your waist during the tightening cycle. Notice the angle measurement and compensation angle value. True angle not only provides accurate angle values, but allows the tool to control based on these influences. The goal of this step is to show that the PowerFocus 6000 supports multiple tools working simultaneously with one PowerFocus 6000 controller. Additionally, this display shows our wireless Tensor STB tools. Press the Home button on the controller to return to the home screen. Then, click on the virtual station icon. Select the ETV STB 6320 station and set the task to P-Set 3, STB 12 Newton meters. Change the controller to the result display by pressing the Result button on the right side just below the controller's HMI screen. Run the piece set on the hard or soft joint. Now, in the results screen, you can click on the HMI to display various information for each virtual station: torque, angle, traces, speedometer gauge, etc. You can see that the STB's operation and results are independent of each other. Have the customer use each tool and see this in action. We will now move on to the ETT 2-trigger tool. There are two main benefits to the ETT tool: increased accuracy due to the transducer being on the other side of the gearing, plus or minus 2.5% over 6 sigma, the ability to tighten to a first target with a pistol trigger and then a final target with a right angle trigger. The tool is already configured for the ETT 2-trigger demo. The first trigger, the one closer to the head, will tighten to 6 Newton meters. The normal right angle tool trigger will complete the tightening to 20 Newton meters. Congratulations on completing a successful demonstration of the PowerFocus 6000 kiosk.